Pa se mi ljudi, ja sam Frkafico i danas opet igramo... Stvarno. Danas nastavljamo sa Yarn tekstom, opet igramo, opet čitamo Hike from Hell, tako da krenemo. Lily, what is going on? Are you safe? 10 minutes later. Lily, please, are you okay? 5 minutes later. Lily, please. If you're getting this text, please respond. I see that they're going through, как что чита? Fuck. And being delivered. Oh my god! What's happening with me? Just text something so I know you're alive. Answer, Roxy. No, answer me. Rox. Oh my god, I'm tired. I'm getting your text, but the service is so bad it won't send my text right away. It's taking forever to send. Oh, thank God. Where are you now? What's going on now? Are you okay? Stok mrzim kad neko tajpa jer onda na kraju niti ne veli taj nego ono. Hello? Helpless. Where are you? Come on! I'm hiding. They're searching the area. They heard me. They keep saying they think it's a girl. They think it's Как se to čita? Who? I do know. They keep saying something about an Erica. Erica? Okay, hold on. I'm literally hiding in a hollowed out tree. This is insane. And my battery is going lower and lower. Okay, God, stay out of sight. I'm looking online. Wow. Oh my god. I think I know who Erica is. Who is it? Okay, so, remember earlier I told you Max killed a girl that snitched on his gang? Yep. They think Erica is a family member of the girl that Max killed. There have been multiple assassination attempts on Max since he killed that girl. Oh my god, so they think I'm here to kill Max? Oh, it's not me. You've got the wrong girl. Так се зове ovaj dio. Well, we don't know exactly. We can't be sure. But you need to be safe. I don't want to find out what happens if they find it. I wonder whose body they were burying. Maybe someone's from Erica's gang. I'm gonna go back out to the body. What? Are you crazy? Insane! Fuck. Don't move. You need to stay where you are. They are not over there anymore anyway. I think they all left. Lily, don't do it. Too late. Too late? What? Too late for what, Lily? Ova epizoda je bila jako brzo. Da. Sam s njim samo, kaj je to, 3 minute? Da. A zadnja epizoda je trajala svakome 12. Hello, too late for what? I'm making my way back over to the body. I wanna check it out. Check it out? Lily, are you crazy? Znao sam. Just get out of there. Any chance you get, you need to leave. Who cares about the body? I'm already almost back now. I think they all passed me. Inače danas se ne čuje telka. I don't hear anyone anymore. Why aren't you trying to escape now? Rox, OMG, I'm back to the body. They didn't bury it all the way. It's only like half buried. Okay, and? So what? Get out of there! Holy shit! Rox, it's a woman. Woman. Woman? It's a girl? I forgot. What is if it's a girl from 2 months ago? I'm trying to see if I can get better look. What does she like? See anything online? Fuck. I cannot believe you're trying to do this right now. What is wrong with you? This is beyond dangerous. Well, whoever this poor woman is, she deserves justice. What if someone was just burying my body in some random canyon, and no one ever knew it? Lily, that could happen tonight. Why don't you get it? I'll get out of here in a minute. Did you find anything online? She was last seen on October 27th, wearing a red sweatshirt and jeans. Shit, rocks the shit. Zake nikad ne pogodim, a kad pogađam i onda znam i ne velim, onda pogodim. What the fuck? Oh my god. Sorry. Holy crap. This her. She's wearing a red sweatshirt. Lily, just go. I already called the cops. They're on the way. What if they can't find her body? This Max guy has to go to the prison. Here's the proof. He's burying the girl freaking body in a canyon. I get it, Lil. But you just need to get as far away from those guys as possible. What? I don't get this. Get this. What the fuck? I don't get this. Get this. Max killed her 3 months ago. Why would they just bury her body now? It doesn't make sense. What are you? Do you think you're a freaking detective? This will help the police. Watch. I just wanna get as many clues as I can. Maybe it's not a girl. They couldn't bury her that many months after killing her. Holy rocks. OMG. I just touched her. Какая глупая. Why? What happened? These people are sick. I can't believe this. How could they do this? What? It's her. I know it's her. It's the girl. How do you know? Okay. Gotovo? Pa ja sam taj završiti. Znači, sad za sljedeći put... Pa sam ovo čitao tu. Dobro, ovo mi se ne da. Nego za sljedeći put mi pišite komentare ako uopće ko piše u komentare, ako uopće ko gleda. Ne pišite kada ćete da gledamo, znači možemo, mislim čitamo. Ali mora biti neke scary onak. Tako da... Da. Znači možemo Who is Tom, Hungry for what the fuck, Hazel Secret. Evo sam htio početi snimat. Uglavnom to je bilo to za ovaj video. Okay. Ako vam se svidio, ja se nadam da je, ostavite like i subscribe se na ovaj video. Ako ste novi na kanalu, pogotovo onda šerite video sa friendovima, da naravno da bi više viewova. Šerite video sa friendovima, podijelite mišljenje o ovom videu, pišite komentare, što god hoćete, samo nemojte da bude neprimjerno. Uglavnom to je bilo to za ovaj video, ja se nadam da ste uživali, ako jeste, već sam rekao kada napravite, tako da pozdrav.